What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're out here on a remote lake, beautiful lake, probably the only lake I've ever been on that don't have houses on. We're gonna do a little kayak fishing for some perch. Hopefully catch a mess to cook. I don't know. We will see what happens. It's probably 38 degrees right now. It's gonna get up in the 60s today. Finally getting some pretty weather down here in the south. So y'all stay tuned and see what happens. So we ain't even gonna play around. We're gonna start off with a worm, the red wigglers, because we want to catch some fish today. So I'm using a Eagle Claw snails hook with 2 split shot sinkers about 1 foot above it. Getting a bite. Oh, I got one. Yeah, baby. Yeah, doggy. Little perch. That's what we're after. We just want a little bigger one than that. Look at that. That was not real pretty, but we're gonna let him go. He's just a little too small. Alright guys, I think I got another one right here. Yep, another small one. We found them. Beautiful little fish right here. Y'all gotta be a little bigger though. Man, ain't they pretty? Super yellow. Super yellow. Let's try again. Rewormed it. Looks like we found the spot though, so I'm glad about that. If we get a good one, we're gonna cook it up and eat it. But got another one, guys. This one feels a little better, but it ain't. Hey, at least they're hitting. At least they're hitting. There's gotta be bigger ones in here, guys. I'll be honest, I'm enjoying it though, man. This is so peaceful. Maybe this one's a little better. This is a little fatter. I believe we'll keep him. I believe we'll keep this one. Not a bad little perch. Good enough for eating. If I could catch about 20 or 30 like that, there ain't no limit here in Tennessee on them. I could probably do pretty good with them, but I don't know. Let's see if we can catch a bigger one though. It's fun just doing this. There's this little log right here. I guess they're just kind of posted up around this log and going downstream. It's probably not even 6 foot deep right here. And another one. Man, I'm tearing these little perch up today. God, they need to be a little bit bigger though. Just a little bit. Ain't they pretty though? Almost look like they should be in an ocean or something. Getting a bite, getting a bite, getting a bite. There we go. Another one, baby. Alright, we're keeping it. I don't care. They're all about this size. This is one of the bigger ones, so we'll keep this one and see how many more we can catch. Heck yeah. Should go ahead and put him on the stringer. Get another bite. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Another small one. We're gonna let you go too. Had a bite. Maybe I got one. Yeah, I got one. think they're just getting smaller now on me. Come on now. Still fun little guys. I don't even know how many that is now. Make some perfect fish sticks, I guess. So let's do this. We're going to put a night crawler on instead of a red wiggler. Bigger bait, bigger fish is what I've always been told. So we will see if that's true right here, right now. All right, getting a bite, getting a bite. Oh, little sunfish, bluegill, I don't know. We call them brim. Hey, it's a different fish, so it's cool with that. Alright, so my wife calls me while I'm on the phone and I get this one. This is another pretty good little one. I guess we'll keep this one too. Hey, we got lunch now. We got lunch. Alright guys, so I've caught more than enough for lunch, and that was all I wanted. Didn't get no big ones like I wanted, but I don't want to be greedy. So I'm gonna get back to the spot and I'm gonna cook them up and eat them. Look at this, guys. Is this not beautiful? So we're just gonna go ahead and cook them up right here. I found a little flat spot. Looks like somebody might have camped here before, so forgot my knife. All I got's a little work knife. So we're gonna probably just clean them up, scale them a little bit, fry them up. Look at this little set, guys. It's not cool. So you've got your little, almost like a little pan, cup, this. Comes with a tripod. But the coolest thing is, it comes with a stove. That's what we're about to cook these fish with. Pull that out, hook it onto the propane, fire it right up. Pretty cool, ain't it? I think I got it on Amazon for like, I don't know, maybe 14 bucks. All right, so I flayed one, didn't have a whole lot of meat on it, so I'm gonna scale this one. Perch got super tough scales. They come right off. So here's what you get. Here's the scaled one, and then you got two little fillets here. I kind of messed this one up, but I didn't have a good knife. If you had a good knife, it would be all right to do them both like that. But I mean, still, you can see that's not much. So I just like to scale them when they're this small, and you got a lot more meat. You got to kind of pick through the bones, but go ahead and get her tater going. And while the taters are cooking, let's go ahead and put these in the flour. Little tiny fillet, be good. Perfect, look at that. These bad boys are cooking good. Throw a little salt. Oh yeah. Give me a little seat now. Man, guys, look at this view. All right, I think these taters are done. Get the water off of them. Put them in the plate. Get this butter melting. All right, guys, here we go. 2 little fillets. Put this one in there. Perfect. A little garlic. Salt and pepper. You know what? Let's put some go ahead and put some cayenne on there too. I like a little spice. Oh yeah. Alright, these 2 little ones are done. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Flip this guy again. Let's keep that butter in there. Alright, I'm calling it. I think she's done. Look at that. Looks so good. Look at that plate. Forgot my ketchup. You believe that? Got my knife, my ketchup. I don't know what's got into me. Moment of truth right here. I don't know if it's because I'm so hungry or what, but that right there is good. Filet is really good. Taters are good. Let's try this one out. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at the inside. It just don't get no better. God. That's some good stuff right there. I can get used to this. I'm gonna finish this, and I've got about another hour to burn. I've got me a hammock back here. I think I might take me an hour nap. Hope y'all like this. If you do, like it. Subscribe if you don't care, or just keep watching them, whatever. I really appreciate y'all if y'all made it this far to the end. It means a lot. So keep it country, and we'll see y'all later.